A very good morning, students. My name is Dr. Mansimran Randhawa. I'm going to take your lecture of Basics of Food Safety and Microbiology. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the brief introduction of the subject, what it is. Then I'm going to tell you about your syllabus, its contents, and finally, I'm going to tell you how you can easily use the Khalsa College Patiala website to download your syllabus and get all the information which is required. Let's get started. Basics of Food Safety and Microbiology. Now let's split this subject word into two names, food safety and microbiology. Now food safety, it includes, is used as a scientific discipline describing handling, preparation and storage of food in ways that prevent foodborne illness. In simple words, you can use it, the safety which is required to prevent the foodborne diseases or the illness. Now, the occurrence of two or more cases of a similar illness resulting from the ingestion of common food is known as foodborne disease outbreak. Let me give you a fine example. There are chances when sometimes you eat that food which is not fit for consumption. That is, the food which is kept outside from the refrigerator. You and your family eat that food. Now, that food might contain the microorganisms which are not good for your health. After few days or after very next day, you have diarrhea, vomitings. This basically is known as foodborne illness. Now there are microorganisms which are present in the food which causes these kinds of illness. So to define the food safety, we can say that we have to provide the food the safety from the microorganisms. Now, what is microbiology? Microbiology is the study of microorganisms. Those can be unicellular, which is single cell, multicellular, cell colony, or acellular, that is lacking cells. This we are going to discuss in the coming sessions. Now, microbiology encompasses numerous subdisciplines including virology, bacteriology, protistology, mycology, immunology, and parasitology. When we combine these two words, that is food safety and microbiology, now we have to study the basics. We are through with the definition of food safety. It means to keep the food safe from what? From microorganisms. Microbiology is the study of microorganisms. Now, food can transmit pathogens which can result in the illness or death of a person or other animals. The main medium are, that is the mode of transmission is from where the food gets these things, that is the bacteria can be present, viruses can be present, mold and fungus can be present in the food. So basically we can say that when your food is infested with these things, the bacteria, viruses, mold or fungus, then you get the illness, right? Now, there are some safety aspects according to the WHO to keep the food hygiene. The first one is to prevent the contaminating food with pathogens spreading from people, pets and pests. This you can be done by separate raw and cooked food to prevent contaminating the cooked foods. Cooked foods for the appropriate length of time and at appropriate temperature to kill the pathogens. The best example is here is the milk, the raw milk which we get from the market. We boil it for appropriate time and temperature so that we can kill the microorganisms, the pathogenic microorganisms. Now, I would like to tell you what are pathogenic microorganisms here. Those microorganisms which causes disease, they are known as pathogenic microorganisms. So best example is boiling of milk. Then another point is store the food at proper temperature. This is also very important. Use safe water and safe raw material. So these are the basic guidelines by WHO by which you can maintain the food hygiene. Now, coming up to the syllabus part, you can go to this website. In the coming video, I'm going to tell you how you can search your syllabus. This is your syllabus. I've taken some screenshots. This is your scheme. In the first year, you are going to read English Communication Skill 1, Punjabi Compulsory, and Punjabi Compulsory or Mudla Gyan. This is for those students, or Punjabi Elementary, what we called it as, for those students who have not started Punjabi in their 10th class. Then third subject is Basics of Food Processing. Fourth one is Bakery Science and Technology. This is my subject, Basics of Food Safety and Microbiology. And these two subjects, we are going to have the practicals of 5 credit. Your theory exam will be of 70 marks and your internal assessment will be of 30 marks. These are the references from which I have taken the material of these slides. Now I'm going to tell you how you can search your syllabus in the Khalsa College Patiala website. Open the link www.google.com, enter the name Khalsa College Patiala, here it is. This is the website and you can easily download directly from here, right? Download the syllabus, select the course, undergraduate course, select the session 2019-20 and show the syllabus. Here you can type the name, BWalk Food, you can simply see, here it is, semester 3 and semester 1, right? You can easily download it and these are your ordinances. This syllabus has been designed to qualification pack baking technician operative reference ID is this. They will be responsible for baking of products and maintaining their consistency and quality. So this is your pack, qualification pack, baking technician / operative. So these are the things which we are going to inculcate when we are going to pass out your first semester. Now this is your scheme which I have shown you, the semester 1 scheme, the general subjects 1, 2 and 3, the general subjects 1, 2, these are the core subjects or the skilled subjects and these are the practicals. Then this from here, this is the second semester and then this is the semester 1 syllabus. You can directly go to the syllabus and see your syllabus. Now this was the method which I've told you, like this directly, but if you go on the site, that is Khalsa College Patiala site, then go on at the bottom, right, download the syllabus. Similarly, you can download the date sheet, right? This is your admission portal from where you have got the admission, new students, important instructions, old student instructions, certificate courses, and these are. Thank you so much.